If you are interested in making a cute, easy, and fun Shopkins dress, materials that you will need for this particular tutorial is simply a ruler, a pair of scissors, some pins, of course the dress material, whatever material you want to use for straps, and a sewing machine. You can also do this tutorial sewing by hand as well, or you can even use fabric glue, but for this tutorial I'm just going to use my sewing machine. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the first step that I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the dress inside out, and I'm going to basically just pin it down. Super easy step, and that literally takes probably like 3 minutes if that. And after that, then I'm going to go ahead and warm up my sewing machine. Well, I don't really warm it up, but I'm gonna go ahead and thread it. And once I thread it, I go ahead and I just start sewing. And then okay, so the sewing machine that I am using for this particular project is going to be a Brother sewing machine, and it is the version LX2763. Guys, and this is the finished product. She really enjoyed her little summer dress. Again, it's the perfect dress for this weather right now. It's very cheap. I literally spent, how much did I spend? I want to say for the dress was only like $3. It was on sale. And then the straps were like 97 cents, and all the other materials I had. So she has this really cute dress for under $5. Perfect for this weather.